Hey guys, this is a 1980s Lasko 52-inch, and I've repainted all of the blades. They're pretty yellowed out, and I think this one right here, no, there's a brown one all the way over there. I had to repaint it, otherwise it looks stupid. I decided to put this in my room. I originally wanted to put it up in there. I forgot to ask my stepdad. And there's a Litex. This thing's a powerhouse on high, while medium and low seem a little slow. And as you can tell, that don't look like antique brass. I did it to make it like nice and shiny, and I'm not gonna tell you. Light. It does hang pretty low, and I'm pretty tall, as you can tell by the cam. I'll go start it up low. And I shined up all the blade arms, if you can see them. A little hard to see them. Medium. Wobbles a little bit on medium. High wobbles all over the place. I think I'm just going to use medium because it blows a lot of air on medium. You can hear the wind a little bit. High. Oh yeah, this thing's a powerhouse. You see in the cam a little bit, it's wobbling. And off. The bottom canopy is not original, nor the top. Nor the top. The top one came from my Westinghouse. The bottom one came from my Dayton Industrial. That's over at my friend's garage, being used. And I never had a canopy for it. I was going to use that for its bottom, but it looks stupid. We'll do reverse. Like it matters much, because y'all won't be hearing the wind. Low. Yeah, one of these days, I might be getting a Hunter original from 1987 from another fan collector. I don't know if he does YouTube or not. Richard J. Moss. I'll be trading him my SMC Emperor for it. Here's medium. Slow on medium. High. Oh shit. Alright, we're not doing high on that. This thing just wanted to keep pulling to the left. We're not gonna put on a reverse ever. So we'll just leave it on downdraft. There we go. This spin down time would take about 10 minutes. It's pretty long. Well, that is it for the Lasko. Till next time.